This is Jeff on Thankful Thursday. I got to give thanks to a couple people over here. We have a job behind us that's going on. I want to show you what we got going on here. Nick,
What's going on, Jeff?
how you doing, buddy?
I'm doing well, man.
Thanks for being here today. We appreciate you.
Yeah, no problem, man.
What are you doing?
Just doing an engine swap in this Chevrolet Silverado.
Man, we doing engine
Brand new,
swaps now?
Jasper rebuild motor that we're putting in it. Yeah, not too
Who's
bad.
that ugly dude?
The old one lost compression at cylinder 1.
What was it?
The old one had 0 compression in cylinder 1. So after we're done, we're going to take it apart and see exactly what happened. But as you can see, this is a quarry truck, so it got all dirty.
Quarry stuff. You're an expert at quarry trucks, aren't you?
Oh yeah, oh yeah. They call me the Michelin Man because I get so white working on these things.
So that's our job here today, is taking this motor out. They got it out here this morning and getting ready to put this new one, drop that new one in there. And
hey, this is the only horsepower you need, baby.
The only horsepower you need? What the heck are you doing in there, man?
I don't know what I'm doing, man.
And that's Trey. That truck must run good with him in there.
Oh yeah, very good.
All negative miles an hour.
All right, well, that's Thankful Thursday. Showing you what's going on. Thank these guys for hooking us up with this engine job. And we're going to get it done for them and get that truck on the road. Remember, we do engine jobs, we do alignments, farm, road service. We go where you grow. And Thankful Thursday. Go south.